Hey guys, so I know it's been a fair while because I have had a lot going on, and I thought I'd discuss this because yes, it's like my old content, but it's something that affects me personally, and that is the male dominated side of gaming. Woo! The biggest problem with video games is not what people think. It tends to be more of a case of a lot of people think that men dominate the video game culture and all that kind of stuff, and it's not a place for women and all that. But the problem with that is that there are girls online and they're absolutely fine because they're not complete assholes about the fact that they're girls. Now, the things that I've noticed with video games is like people give me free money all the time in video games. People are like putting me up on a pedestal because I'm a girl, and I guess if they want to do that, they want to do that. But the fact of the matter is that yes, there are certain things that happen in games that are a little bit uncomfortable and stuff like that, but the fact is that this is a community that you go into, and usually girls will be like, oh, I'm a girl, I'm a special snowflake, I get to do all these magical things because I'm a girl, treat me special. And I feel like that is why guys are like complete dicks to chicks on games sometimes. It's not necessarily their fault, it's how you approach them. And if you approach them in a negative manner, then they're gonna treat you like crap because nobody wants to be treated that way. And that's probably the biggest issue when it comes to girls in gaming, because a lot of the time they think that they're special because they have a vagina. And let's be real, that's a completely stupid mentality to have. Somehow I've been surviving on Gary's mod, one of the most male dominated games that I know of, and I've been fine. Sure, there have been a few incidences that have happened, but that's due to probably the people's previous opinion of women on the game, because women go in and they're like, I'm a girl, treat me special. Basically, imagine this. Imagine you're a nice little group, you're tight, you're like having a lot of fun together, and this one person's like, hey, look at me, I'm different to you, so treat me special. That's pretty much what it is for half the time. And unfortunately, a lot of guys, because they're sick of having this mentality thrown on them and sick of being treated this way, they tend to just go and be like, hey, like, I don't like this, so I'm just going to be a dick to you. So that's probably where it all comes from. Women need to grow the fuck up when they're playing games and stop being like, hey, I have a vagina, hey, I'm special, hey, I'm freaking give me feminism on this game. They need to stop that kind of crap and just stop trying to be treated special and just contribute to the community of a game and contribute to the other stuff. Yes, it may be hard at first because they've already got a predetermined opinion about how women are when they come into these games, because of the fact that so many of them beforehand have gone in and done this exact same thing. But they're going to be a little, they'll warm up to you once you give them the chance. So yeah, anyway, that's all I really wanted to say. I just figured gaming feminism and all that, stop being idiots.